for it. Those are from Dixie Grandma on Grandpa Green Car.
No, not us. They won't open now. Can we open? What? They won't open now. They want to open now.
Open it. Wow. Say thank you, Dixie Grandma and Grandpa Green Car.
Wow. Thank you, Mom. Oh, he got a digger.
Oh, yellow digger. It's okay. Ooh. All right. Hey, say thank you, Dixie Grandma. Thank you, Grandpa Green Car. All right, that's what you get from Jake. Merry Christmas. Oh, he's showing me. Do you like your digger? Okay, say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.